Hey, I'm Jack Tucker. Welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I'm out here in Lake Havasu, good old Arizona. Last time I was out at the water, I've got this underwater drone that I tried to launch, and I had some problems with it. It wasn't working properly. So I came out here. I'm going to try it again, launch it. I want to see what's under the water. I had a friend out here last year, came out. He found a lot of jewelry underwater. He was scuba down there. And so anyways, I just want to put a drone down there. Just curiosity, see what we see. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So hey, thanks for coming along, guys.
Load up the truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a common goal, chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains.
You can see the water is down right now. Here's where it has been, but it's going back out, so it's a little lower right now. Kind of clear here in the beginning. See how cold it is. Oh yeah, it's a little cold. It's a little cold. Well, that was kind of exciting. Seems like it still has a little bit of problems with that drone. I think what I'm going to do now is go put the drone away and get me a metal detector and just metal detect around here for a tad bit. Well, I got this MindLab Manticore detector. Ooh, that's what I'm going to be swinging right here for a moment. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's just swing this, check it out, see what we can find. Junk already. Pull tabs, stuff like that. I don't want that. I just want good targets. I'm just going to dig good targets. That's all I want. I just want to dig good targets. Another junk target. Don't want it. It's in the red. I'm not digging in the red. I'm not digging in the red. I want good targets. Okay. Let's dig that target. Kind of hard to do this. What is that? Junk? I thought that was a quarter there for a moment, but I think it's just junk. Nothing. Missed it. What the heck is that? It's like part of maybe an old pendant or something, huh? Wow, that's kind of weird, isn't it? Huh. That'd be cool if that was gold. I think that's what that is, part of an old pendant. But it's probably metal. It rang up too high to be gold, I think. But can't make out what it is, but it's pretty cool. Well, I got that one. Oh, what is it? What is it? I don't see it. That's why you need a pinpointer. I got it out. Now, what is it? That's where I need a pinpointer. Oh, there it is. It's a penny. That's a penny. It's not even a new penny either. It's a penny. That's the chain with the buoy hooked on. There's another chain part. See that from here. I don't know if that one's worth digging or not. It's not steady. See, it's right on that line, 36 on that line. Oh, look at that. Oh. Huh. I don't think it's real. I don't even know if it's silver. I don't even know if those are stones in there or not. Might be silver though. It's not flaking apart or anything. I'll have to clean that up later. Looks like there's something written in there. I'll have to clean this up later and check that out. Cool. Well, found a couple things. So I don't know how valuable they are. I'll check them out later. But right now, I guess I'm going to head back to the vehicle and see what I should. Maybe I should go over by the bridge. I'll go over by the bridge and we'll walk around that area over there and we'll check that area out over there. Let's go there now. Amazing. Look at all the black sand that's all right here along the beach area. All this black sand. This area right down here, this is kind of what they call the channel. That's kind of weird, that thing right there. They cut this into a cross. An old dead tree. That's what they did. They cut it into a cross. But that's the channel right there. So boats come up and down through here where you go under the bridge. Here you got to go slow. So people come down here and watch all the boats go by. See, there's not as much rocks right through here. There's more sand. This would be a better place to detect right in through here. That would be pretty awesome to detect. Another day, I'll get in there, another day. You can see it goes out and then all of a sudden it drops off right there. It gets pretty deep. But all the boats just come and line up through here. This place gets packed when boats come in here and just get lined up. And you can just come and detect all through here. Pretty cool though. All the shops are. Bridge. Walk over there, go under the bridge, see what's happening over there. Looks like they're making a walkway coming up here. I better add to the thing there. There, I added to it. There's the famous London Bridge right there. Famous London Bridge. All right, I got to put on my cool hat to walk down around the bridge down there. Of course, when you come around here, you got to get exercise because there's a lot of stairs you can walk up and down. If you go over there on that side, there's a ton of steps over there. Not as many over here. Now there's the bridge. Why did I say not as many over here? Look at all those steps right there. Get some exercise. And I got to come back up them too. Oh well. Need the exercise. There's a story about that London Bridge. I may have to find the story about that London Bridge, tell you the story behind that. I came from London. Believe it or not, I came all the way from London.
Lake Havasu City is home to the London Bridge. In the early 1960s, officials in England made a troubling discovery. London Bridge was falling down. In 1968, an American tycoon bought London Bridge, all 10,000 tonnes of it. The winning bid came from Robert P. McCulloch, American entrepreneur and chairman of McCulloch Oil Company. McCulloch paid $2,460,000, plus shipping costs of around $240,000 to bring the bridge over piece by piece to the desert town of Lake Havasu City. This is the lake, Havasu Lake. Thousands of visitors and boats will invade these waters just this year alone.
Well, this really is just a tourist trap, so I don't want to walk around here because you can spend a lot of money down here in this place. It's a good place to go eat over there, but I'm not going to go do that. Yeah, there's just a lot of cool shops and places to walk around here, spend some money on, but I got to get back up these steps. Oh, infinity and beyond, here I come.
You can do it!
Well, that was my little tour of Lake Havasu. Oh, some loud vehicles coming up over the ridge there. But people come over this bridge. They love to just cross the bridge. ATVs, all types of stuff. There's some cool stuff clear down there by the shores too. Another day. Anyways, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this adventure, the little tour of Lake Havasu. So you guys all take care. Please leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Sure appreciate you guys. So until our paths cross again, you guys all take care. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Load up the truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a common goal. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand, uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. With metal detectors singing in the breeze, we dig for the fortune, uncovering keys. With a gold pan in hand, we sift through the dirt. Each little glimmer makes our hearts surge. By the firelight's glow, while laughter rings, as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. By the firelight's glow, our laughter rings, as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. Never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far.